ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. Alright? You got a dream, you gotta protect it. People can't do something themselves, they wanna tell you you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.
Good evening. The name of this particular project is Automation of Street Lightings. And the very problem statement is that as soon as the intensity of light starts to fade, the street lights will automatically glow up. They do not need to be operated manually. For instance, at many instances, like for instance when the cloud hovers over the sky, the intensity of the light fades away. Then at that particular time, be it not that it's evening, the street lightnings will automatically glow up. I'll be showing you the experiment as the shadow of my hand falls on this particular setup that we have put. This LED would be glowing. So this would show that as the intensity of the light fades, we have the automated street lighting. So I'm going to show you the experiment now. We just saw this, that as soon as I put my shadow on this particular apparatus, this particular LED glue, I'm automated. So this is very evident experiment to show the automation of street lightings. Now I'll be switching off the lights of this particular room to show that this how this actually will work in actual condition. So we just saw that as the intensity of the light faded of this particular room, this particular LED glue automatically. Thank you so much. This particular project is Password Secured Machine Operation. In this particular project, if I input the right password, then these two LEDs will glow. And if I input the wrong password, then this particular buzzer will start to buzz, alarming people that someone is hijacking the system. In the place of this particular two LED, anyone can place any other system for its functioning. For simplicity, I have put these two LEDs. Now for simplicity, I have put the password of this particular system as 1. So if I input 1 as the password in this particular screen that is connected to this particular system, then these two LEDs will start to glow. Else if I input any other number which is apart from 1, then this particular buzzer will start to buzz. Now initially I'll be putting a number that is not 1, something around, let's say 4. I'm putting any number which is other than 1 and I'm sending it, and let's see what happens. I'm about to send it and we see that as soon as I've input the wrong password, the buzzer has started to buzz. Now I'm going to input the right password, as I said that it is equal to 1, and as I send it, we see that the LED has started to glow. So thank you. in this particular project, what we'll see is that as soon as there is a fire, I'm going to light a match. You'll be seeing the buzzer buzzing and the LED glowing. So I'm going to show you the practical of it. At the moment, the temperature is increasing, and yes, in a few seconds, we have it. So you just saw that we had a fire alarm, and the very interesting thing about this fire alarm is that this particular project is that you can also operate an electrical valve, and with that electrical valve you can spray water in the region where you find that yes, there's a fire.
Never give in. Never, never, never. In nothing, great or small, large or petty, never give in except to convictions of honor and good sense. Never yield to force. Never yield to the apparently overwhelming might of the enemy.
This is a very simple example of home automation. In home automation, you can do a wide variety of things, but we have prepared a model to show what home automation can actually do. In this particular model, this model is of stairs, and this project is all about like if you get inside a room and you don't want to go to the switches and switch on the lights, then what this project will do is that as soon as you reach the stairs, the light of the stairs will glow automatically. You don't have to go to the switches and switch them on. So I'll be showing you the practical how it goes on. You can see it's a stair. We have got LEDs over here, and this particular stair will sense your presence, and if it senses that yes, you are actually present over there or someone is actually present over there, then it will glow automatically. Now, this finger of mine will act as a human being. As soon as I get close to the stairs, the stair will start glowing. Now, I start the project, so I hope that you'll enjoy it. Now, you saw that. As soon as I came closer to the stairs, it started glowing. Now, you don't have to go to the switches. It will automatically glow, and this it really seems to be a really wonderful project.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward.
This particular project is security system of a house. The very problem statement is that when an unwanted person enters the house, then the buzzer should buzz and the lighting of the whole house, the lighting system of the whole house, of the whole veranda system should glow up in order to just catch the person, the unwanted person who has entered the house. Now, these two fingers of mine would act as the unwanted person who is entering the house. He'll be crossing the very lane in which the security system has been placed, which of course he is unknown about. So I'm going to show you the experiment in which as soon as the person passes through the security system, the buzzer will buzz, and these two LEDs actually show the lighting of the house. So as soon as the buzzer will buzz, the lighting of the whole house, which is correspondent, which is symbolized by these two LEDs, will glow. Now this is the man, he is walking, unwanted person, he doesn't know, or a thief, he is just walking very steadily, and he is and see, like as soon as he crossed the security system, he is running now, but the buzzer is buzzing and also the light of the whole house has illuminated. So this is the very security system. Thank you so much. Bye.